Hey students, look! Somebody is sweeping all these coins off the table. Too rich already. The coins are swept off at different speeds though, because those nearer the pivot are not hit as hard. So they fly off the table at a lower speed. Do you see what he's trying to show? That they land at the same time? Not only that, not only that. What about the height of the coins during the motion? Yep, throughout the motion, all the coins are at the same vertical height. Throughout the motion. Why is that so? Because all of them started with the same vertical velocity, which was 0. So they started with the same vertical velocity, their vertical motions are identical. They all fall at the same rate, they all land at the same time. The only difference is the horizontal motion. Those that started with the higher horizontal velocity will of course move forward at a higher speed and therefore land further. Ah, that's so satisfying.